Greetings and welcome to this evening's Evening Relaxation guided meditation. With a new day, actually starting a new year, there will be a lot of information, a lot of thoughts, a lot of potentials that are floating or bouncing around between our ears. It does only take one small change to change the entire perspective of your view of reality, as well as changing the direction that you are travelling. Half a degree of a change today may not seem like a lot in many ways, and maybe in a week's time, even a month, it won't be noticed. But in a year, in 2, in 5, in 10, all the way to the end, you will realise that it is the smallest changes we make that echo out and actually connect, helping to co-create the changes we wish to see in humanity. And being a new year, there is always a moment where we look back to the past. We look back in order to try to recreate our version of the future with information that we have at our disposal. The problem here is that many times when we try to recreate something from what has been, we are limiting ourselves to be able to experience something outside of our field of vision. In order to experience the true magic that you are and that you are here to live, I ask that you let go of all of your viewpoints, your attachments, and your desires of old. When you let go of what has been, it allows you the space to see what can be. So set the intention in your mind, if you like, and sleep, having the sweetest of dreams, aligned with this same frequency all night. To wake, to rise in the morning, jumping out of bed as the day is dawning, knowing exactly who you are, where you are, and where it is that you would like to travel forwards to. Allowing, with ease, for everything to flow to you. You are the creator of your own reality, and what you look for in life is what you will see. So go ahead and look for the positives in every situation, giving yourself the opportunity to see them. Love, light, and infinite blessings. And until we connect again, all of my love, support, and appreciation. Here is to making the most out of every day.